Welcome back to their channels. sorry. Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to their channel. I am their Indian friends who is going to teach them some Hindi words.
Yes.
So before starting the video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to comment it.
Yes.
Because you don't have to pay a single penny for it.
You don't have to.
So firstly we'll say hello India. What do you guys say?
Namaste.
So what you guys want to teach me, or what you guys want I should teach you in Hindi? Just first word.
Any words? How about how are you in Hindi?
How are you?
Yes.
आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे
हो. And if you will say I am fine, then I'll say मैं अच्छा हूँ.
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
You guys will say मैं अच्छी हूँ.
मैं अच्छी हूँ.
हाँ. And if you are a fat, then you'll say मैं मोटी हूँ.
मैं मोटी हूँ.
But you guys are not fat. तुम लोग पतली हो.
पतली हूँ.
Yes. So firstly, like in India, it's very common. Like if you guys have to call your father, then what you will say? Papa.
Papa.
Father means
Papa. Papa.
Papa, and mothers mean Mama. Mama or Ma?
Mama.
Ma.
Ma.
Ma. Ma. Okay, so in India, what will guys say? Sister, Behan,
Behan.
or Didi.
Didi.
Yes, Didi no Didi.
Didi.
Yes, and brother, Bhaiya.
Bhaiya.
Bhaiya. Bhaiya. Okay, then like in India, if you guys have you seen that auto rickshaw?
Yes.
So to call auto rickshaw, you have to say Bhaiya suno.
Bhaiya suno.
So you'll say where you guys, if you guys want to go in some place, then you will say भैया आप उधर जाओगे क्या?
What?
भैया आप उधर जाओगे क्या? हाँ. और what you guys say bargaining in Hindi? मोल भाव. मोल भाव. Okay, so some funny words in Hindi or English will say what? Like if it is a book, notebook. So in Hindi we'll say it kitab. Ki ta wo. Pustak. Yes. So in food, what we'll say in Hindi? Khana. आपने खाना खाया?
आपने खाया खाना.
आपने खाना खाया?
आपने खाना खाया.
Have you guys eaten food?
आपके खाना खाया.
Have you guys eaten food?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what you guys eat in food?
Rice.
Rice. What will say rice in Hindi? Chawal. Yes. And what? Like money. Money in Hindi? Paisa. Yes. Oh, money. You guys know money. Paisa. Money. Yes. You know everyone likes money.
Everyone likes money.
Yes. So like in others word, or we can say, you know, what new words you guys want to learn?
I love you. How do you say I love you in Hindi?
I love you. I love you means मैं तुमसे प्यार करता. You guys say करती. Boys will say करता and girls will say करती. Who? Yes. So say repeat again. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती. You guys say करती हूँ. Yes. And if the other person will like you, he will say मैं भी तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Yes, and if that person will not love you, then he'll say मैं तुमसे प्यार
मैं तुमसे प्यार
नहीं
नहीं
करता
करता
हूँ.
हूँ.
Yes. You know, like in Hindi, what we'll say God?
No.
Bhagwan.
Bhagwan.
Yes.
Bhagwan.
I don't know actually, you know. Actually, my Hindi is also little bit bad, but I'll try.
Okay. So,
This much.
and now we'll be teaching Vinay a few words in our languages.
Yes, I can't wait.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll be the first one to teach you.
Yes.
My tribe is Tonga.
Yes,
I'll teach
Tonga.
you. I'll tell you 2 words.
Okay,
So that you can
definitely,
pronounce.
yes.
Okay. Ulibuti.
Uli booty. What is it?
It means how are you?
How are you? Uli booty.
Yes.
Uli booty.
Uli booty.
Uli booty. How are you?
Yes. And then my name, you say it's Hina.
Your name is Hina.
Say
But
it.
your name is
No, you say you.
But your name is Samantha.
You say, I mean how to say your name. You
Yes.
say, how to say my name is. You
Okay.
say Hina
Hina Samantha.
name. You say Hina yangu.
Hina Yangu
Vini.
Vinay. Okay, Hina Yangu Vinay. Hina Yangu Vinay.
Ulibuti.
Uli booty, how are you? Hina
Then you
Yangu
answer.
Vinay.
Then you answer Gawotu.
Kavo 2, I am fine.
Yes, Gawotu.
I am fine. Kavo 2.
Yes. Then in Nyanja, which is a language that is used by almost everyone in our country, Zambia. So the first word is Zikomo.
Jikomo.
Zikomo.
Jikomo.
Yes, Zikomo.
What is
It
it?
means thank you.
Thank you. Oh, we'll see in last.
Yeah, Zikomo.
Jikomo. In last.
Yes, Zikomo. And then if you want to greet someone in Nyanja, you say Ulibwanji.
Ulibanji.
Yes.
Banji.
Bwanji.
Ulibonji.
Yes.
Ulibonji.
Ulibwanji. Then you answer Bueno.
Vino.
Bueno.
Vino.
Bueno.
Bino.
Yes.
Bino. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
now it's your turn.
so yes, it's my turn, and I'm going to teach you Ndebele, 2 words in Ndebele,
Okay.
and 2 words in Nyanja.
Okay.
Yes.
Do Davile means all champions to Davile too and Tonga too?
No.
Like-
Ndebele is it's my tribe,
Yeah.
my
Okay.
language. Yes. So Nyanja is from Zambia, like everyone speaks
Okay.
Nyanja in Zambia. Yes.
Okay.
So the first word is Ngiyakukumbula.
Oh my God.
Once again. Do you know?
Her word?
Do you know her language?
Just a few words.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Ngiyaku.
Yeah. Yaku kumbi.
Ngiyakukumbula.
Byaku kumbola.
Yes.
Sengi.
Gi.
Ya.
Ya.
Ku.
Ku.
Kumbula.
Kumbula.
Yes, so-
Ye ka ki kumbula. Am I right?
Ngiyakukumbula.
Yaku kumbula.
Yes.
Yaku kumbula.
Yes.
What's this? How are you?
No, it means I'm thinking of you or I miss you.
I miss you.
Yes.
Yaku kumbula.
Yes.
Okay, I miss you. Yaku
Yes.
kumbula.
Oh, I was thinking about you.
Yeah,
Ngiyakukumbula.
I am thinking about you.
Yes.
Okay.
I miss you.
I miss you. I'm thinking about you. That's nice. Yaku kumbula.
Yes.
Okay.
The
Then-
other word is Ngiyakutanda.
Yaku tanda.
Yes, that one you got it correct.
Yaku tanda.
Yes, it means I love you.
I love you. Yaku tanda. I love you. Do you know?
Yeah,
Okay.
Kakanda.
Yaku tanda.
Yes. So the other 2 words in Nyanja is Ulibwanji.
Ulibanji.
Yes.
Ulibanji.
Yes. It means how are you?
How are you? I think it's called same word.
Yeah.
You say it?
Ulibanji.
Okay. Okay, you can say Chikondi.
Simkhandi.
Chikondi.
Sirkondi.
Yes.
Sirkondi.
Yes, it means love.
Love. Sirkondi means love. Okay. You know, I think love is having so much name.
Yeah, it does.
Chirkondi.
Yes, and then the other word is takulandilani.
Takula Dilandi. Takula Dilandi.
Takulandilani.
Takulandilani.
अच्छा Takula Dilani.
Oh my god.
Am I right? No.
Ta.
Ta.
Ku.
Ku.
Landilani.
Taku Landi.
Landilani.
Landi Lani.
Yes.
Taku Landi Lani.
Yes.
Okay.
It means,
Taku Landi.
it means we've welcomed you. So we've welcomed you to our house.
Yes.
You're welcome to our house.
Oh, welcome to your
Yes.
house. Okay. Taku.
Takulandilani.
हाँ टाकू हालांडी जैसे टाकू हालूलांडी
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys, that was it for
Okay.
today.
Yes.
Hope you
Guys.
liked it. Comment down below.
and don't forget to subscribe it and share it.
Yes. And don't forget to follow him on Instagram. We'll put his name down
Oh,
below. Yes.
So thank
And
you.
thank you so much to be
Guys, thank you.
for
And-
joining us.
And thank you for calling me. And thank you for calling me and just teaches you some words. Seriously, I am so much grateful and
Thank
seriously.
you.
Bye guys. See you next time. I hope